Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study Chapter 17, 10th from Art and Activity Skill Book. Now take out your white and green color book. Take out your book fast. Now tell me, you know what is tent? What is tent? You know? Look at here. This is a tent. Fill the tent with different color as shown. Okay. First of all, take out your crayons and start coloring with me. First of all, take out your pink color. Take out your pink color. Take out your pink color. Okay, and start coloring with me. I have this. You will take pink. Okay. Start coloring. And do it neatly, okay? Do it neatly. Now take out your blue color and start coloring blue color. Which color is this? Blue. Up and down, left and right. Okay? Left and right, left and right. And fill the gaps. Fill the gaps, beta. And do it neatly. Do it neatly. Now, next color is yellow. Yellow color. Start coloring yellow. Fill the gaps. All of you have done this. Complete it fast. Next one is of green color. Take out your green color. Do it slowly and neatly. Slowly and neatly. Okay? Do it fast. Do it fast. Now, these are left. Second turn is of green color. Now, do green color in this. Another green color. 1, 2, 3 in this. Now, blue color. Take out your blue color first in this, then in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this and in this. Now take out your red color. Take out your red color and do it this. And also in this. Then pink color. Now one is left. Now one is left. Take out your yellow color. Complete it fast. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Happy learning. See you soon. Bye-bye.